So last week I was here on Thursday and Friday by myself, and I found myself missing the sound effects. Because the sound effects of Kruesi Originals are amazing. I don't hear Ryan in the other room going, bah, 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 bah.
On the sidewalk holding up a sign, we'll fucking limit her for food.
This is Dave Chase coming at you live from Kruesi Originals. We're going to install an M8 K-Bar today. Going on to an M8 lowrider softail. Here it is, brand new, fresh out of the powder coater. Let's get her done. First thing we're going to do is take off the clothes. This one already has a set of sliders on it, so it's going to make our job a little bit easier because the spacing's already done. The hardware should already be correct for the length, so that's kind of a little snazzier for us. Down so nice and soft. It's a little, we're doing this a bit of a project bike, so it's a little easier for us. We've got a front fender in the way. Overall, one of the things with the K-bars, they do mount to the top motor mount up here, so these two bolts have to come out of the way. That horn is no fun to remove, but you can get these bolts out. They're pretty short without removing the horn. All right, so I'm ready to go back in. A dab will do you. Slide our new K-bar through. You're gonna have to enter from behind. That's what it looks like. Before you fork anything side to side, just get everything in, snugged, go around, then reach for it, top down, bottom up, doesn't much matter, but you don't want to crank everything down too tight or else it'll put everything into a bind.
Looks good though.
Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get our trusty torque adapter in there, but so I'll show you the Dave Chase torque method. You know, like that. Just spot on your way. It's nice and snug. And with red Loctite on it, and the lack of vibration that these motors put out, probably in pretty good shape. And there it is. Kruesi Originals K-Bar, installed on an M8. Looking beautiful. No pressure at all, Dave. Well, really pretty simple install. Make sure you use red Loctite, use a torque wrench. You know, one of the things you want to do is make sure that when you get it in here, start your bolts, leave all your bolts snug. I think I mentioned that earlier. You're going to have to shift it around a little bit, but all in all the bolt holes line up. They're ready to go for you. And very basic install. Nice simple part.